29-day dry aged ribeye. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh man, it's well done, but that's fine. Oh my god. That's so good. It's a lot more tender than I thought it'd be, even though it's like well done. I like this because it does this. There's other ones where there's small screws and stuff like that and bolts and nuts and you have gloves on. It just doesn't make sense and you might lose something. This, you don't need to worry about losing anything. Like it's literally this part, and these two, and you're all set. I have official merch now thanks to my sponsor, Spread Shop. You guys can check it out in the link in my bio. So go check out my Spread Shop and you guys can get cool shirts like this. Spread Shop also has really cool stickers like this. Look at that. This is one of my favorites. Look at that. It's a camper mug.